What if I told you that every image you have ever edited was a prison, a flat cage where changing one thing meant risking everything else, but Qwen just handed us the key to break free from that limitation forever. Qwen-Image-Layered arrives on Hugging Face with nearly 10,000 downloads in a single month, and the core promise is wild. Decompose any image into multiple RGBA layers where each piece exists independently of the others. Picture this: you want to recolor a jacket in a photo, but traditional editing forces you to mask carefully and pray nothing bleeds. With layer decomposition, you simply touch that layer alone while everything else remains untouched. The magic deepens when you realize these layers support what they call elementary operations: resizing objects without distortion, repositioning elements freely across the canvas, even deleting unwanted content cleanly without artifacts. Here is where reality bends. The team demonstrates replacing a girl with a boy on just one layer using Qwen-Image-Edit. The background and foreground remain perfectly consistent because they exist on separate physical planes within the system. But wait, what if 4 layers are not enough? The model supports variable layer decomposition. You choose 3 layers or 8 layers depending on your needs. And here is the mindbreaker: any layer can be decomposed again infinitely. 14 Hugging Face spaces already run this technology. 5 quantized versions exist for different hardware setups, and the entire system builds upon the Qwen-Image foundation with 62 fine-tuned variants in the ecosystem. The implementation runs on 50 inference steps at 640 resolution using BrainFloat 16 precision, accessible to anyone with a modern graphics card and the latest diffusers library, democratizing what was once studio-level capability. One honest truth though, this version recommends 640 resolution over 1024, meaning ultra-high fidelity work still requires patience as the technology matures, but the foundation for infinite creative control now exists. Thank you for joining me on this journey into layered image intelligence. If this opened your mind to new creative possibilities, subscribe and stay tuned because the future of visual editing is being rewritten right now.